Run a six-figure cleaning business. Cleaning is not easy. If it was, then no one would even bother hiring help to do the cleaning. The truth of the matter is, cleaning is a chore that people would like to have done by somebody else. It does not require a college diploma, but it does require a different set of skills. That is why there are those who are able to make their living from cleaning. Others even make a fortune out of it. When it comes to cleaning, it is an industry that gives credence to the saying that gold can be found in somebody else's trash. If you want to know how to run your own six-figure cleaning business, refer to the guide below. Cleaning is an industry by itself. You would not be able to be successful at it if you do not know a thing about cleaning. If you do not do any cleaning yourself but you have high standards of how clean your home should be, then you would not be able to specify how to do things which concerns the practical side of the business. If, on the other hand, you have been cleaning all your life and you think that it is time that you make some serious money from it, then you are right. The first step, as in any business, is to immerse yourself in the project, know everything you can about the product and the market. In this case, you think you have what it takes to be a great cleaner, and that you can make a business out of it. Rate yourself as honestly as you can. Do you really know everything there is to know about cleaning and this industry? Do you know what your competitor knows? What is your target market? Assess where you stand in the market, what you have to offer versus other cleaning businesses. Cleaning is a delicate business. People give you their keys and let you in their homes, giving you their trust that you will do your job and keep the secret of their lives quiet. Whatever you find in their homes you just straighten out and clean. Further, they expect you to do a thorough job. No missing items, no dust or dirt hidden in nooks and crannies. People trust cleaning ladies, and the more you do your job well, the more they will trust your skills. Develop your network. To start your own cleaning business, you should have a clientele. Be nice and straightforward with your clients. Build some rapport with them. Some clients would welcome some small chat, some others prefer to have their own time. Adjust your approach according to the person you want to approach. If they like you, they will refer you to their friends and acquaintances. Train your staff to be the model cleaner. They should have the skills and attitude of a seasoned cleaner. Take on 2 at first and train them. As your business grows, start taking on more employees. More than skill, you should look at willingness to work and learn. Cleaning can be taught, but good manners and attitude are much harder to come by. Do not overexpand. As time goes, you will have more and more clients and employees. Do not take on more cleaners than you do clients. But also do not overwork your employees or they may start slipping up on their work. Strike a balance between the two and be a mediator of supply and demand to ensure the growth of your company.